so fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding.
So hello guys, what's up? So today is the happiest day of this year, I think so. Starting of this year is very happiest for me because as you can see, I bought this beautiful machine. The dream of my till now, thanks to your wishes. एंड अभी मैं भगवान के पास जा रहा हूँ उनकी गुड विशेस लेने, उनका आशीर्वाद लेने। आप सबके लिए भी दुआ मांग के आऊँगा कि सबके ड्रीम ट्रू हो जाएं। वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। तो बाबा जी की ब्लेसिंग ले ली है, चलते हैं घर की तरफ प्रस्थान करते हैं। हाँ जी,
कितना सीसी है?
ये है ही 400 सीसी। 400 सीसी।
After I reached home, I realized that the mic went out of my helmet and audio recorded in the video was horrible, so I have decided to record in the audio in the background. The bike is amazing as of now. There is little bit problems like vibration in the clutch lever and the foot pegs and little bit in the tank also. I basically also talked while riding that why I bought Dominar over Apache 310, Duke 250, Duke 390, FZ25, Himalayan, and I'm going to talk about this in another video. And now I'm going to talk what precaution I take after taking the delivery and what precautions you should take after taking the delivery as per manual and as per me also. So the precaution I take, I didn't rode the bike above 4.5 to 5k rpm and not above the 70 to 75. Better to be in the range of 7, and don't push the throttle suddenly and don't lose the throttle suddenly. It's not good for the engine. You can make your engine lifelong with these precautions. Just be precautious with brake also, because the brake pad is new in the bikes. this is the precaution you have to take while riding this bike, and make sure that your coolant and engine level is at the minimal level at least. Fill up your coolant or top up your engine oil before taking the delivery of this bike. Check all the bike, if any scratches are there, don't buy this bike. Or watch for tires, if there is any mud or sand on the tires like it's been ridden also, don't buy that bike. Look on the foot pegs if there is any little bit tear and wear. I got this bike on 4 km on auto because of and I also know that new models are here, but I don't like too much bling on my motorcycle. Basically I don't like the golden alloys. It's my personal choice. If you like it, go ahead, buy that machine. As of now, because of your good wishes, I bought this bike. Thank you very much again for supporting my channel. Please keep supporting me, and goodbye. Thanks a lot, guys.